Guess who's back? Back again. He is back. Back to stay. I hope I got the lyrics right, but I know I won't get the title wrong. It's time for Umnakwethu, season 5, Baba. Back by popular demand. Boo, 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 boo. And if you're not angry yet, I promise you will be by the end of this video. Hi guys, my name is Asanda Kati and welcome to my YouTube channel where I give you my takes and opinions on trending topics happening globally. Today I'm going to be speaking about the first episode of Umnakwethu season 5, which is a spin-off show from the hit Mzansi Magic television reality television show Uthando Nesithembu, hosted by none other than Omo Samselegu, also a derivative of Thanks Ma Productions. So on today's episode of Umnakwethu, we meet this guy. I didn't even catch his name because I don't think it's important, because how dare you want Tembu when you have such a beautiful wife? How dare you? So this guy wants Tembu because allegedly she can't have kids, right? And due to the fact that she can't have kids, he basically is saying that he wants to take another woman to join the fold, and that woman will procreate. But get this woman is also a virgin, so there isn't proof, or there isn't anything ephathekayo to basically believe ukuthi she will basically give him the kids that he's looking for. And because uyabona ukuthi lo guy is using this as an excuse to basically make his umjolo legal. Yena nje umuntu ojolayo, ochitayo, then he caught feelings and fell in love with uMamncane, and because uMamncane is not giving up the goods, he's now trying to figure out a way to get it allegedly. That's how I'm looking at things. And luckily our Mamkulu was backed by her older brother, who told her mid-conversation, hey sis, let's go, because he was heartbroken seeing Lento Siswake can't have kids used against her for this guy to basically officiate one of his side chicks into the family. Just to give you context, this guy basically is saying ukuthi unkosikazi wakhe uyamsola, umamkhulu uyamsola ukuthi she's been having miscarriages because she's been conceiving kids, but when it's time to have the kids, she would miscarry. But umamkhulu is not even 30 yet. She's still a child. And umamncane is 23 years of age. Very beautiful. Both of them are very beautiful women. And umamkhulu nje ushaya phansi uthi nje mina ngeke ngizivumi isithembu. I know that I can't have kids, but at the same time there's so many other options we can explore. And finally, I'm so glad to see a woman who knows her worth. Even if a man uses, because men will always use what you don't have against you. They never really want to ever admit ukuthi the reason why I want to Tembu is because I'm selfish and I want to cheat with you openly without hiding it anymore. And they try to blame you for their inabilities to control their urges. That's all it is. Kukancane ukuthi umuntu wesilisa abe ne-valid reason for his Tembu, other than the fact that he's selfish. Luckily, this is the first time in the history of Umnakwethu that the first wife, came with ubhuti as a backing. Brother wakhe, biological brother, came with her as a backing or as a friend. Because you know how Umnakwethu always allows the older wife to come with a friend. She chose her older brother, who was there to protect her. And he was grilling Mkhonyana with questions. Why do you want to stay? Blah blah. Mkhonyana couldn't even answer because Mkhonyana knew deep down hey, Uputak is gonna snoop out his reasons. Because he's also a man and he knows the code. Anyway, wahamba ke Uputak wahlala ngalena so that they can have the chat. And after the chat, bengakaqedi nje usiswakhe bethi nje no, I don't want to stay. But the brother came from the woodworks and was like, guys, this is some. And because he was a man and there were two other men that couldn't manipulate the older wife, and for the first time we're seeing a wife win. No, so now it's up to the guy. It's either you are choosing between your older wife or choosing between the younger wife, who you're not even sure can conceive kids either, ukuthi ukhetha bani ngoba older wife is leaving regardless, and the younger wife is basically saying ukuthi the younger wife even cried disappointed ukuthi the older wife doesn't want to accept her. Imagine being so entitled to somebody's marriage that you get angry when she says no ukuthi wena ungene uzomreplacer, because essentially that's what isithembu is. It's you replacing her. Noma ngathi it's because you can't have kids. Hey baba, please man, noma ngathi she can't have kids, there's so many other options you can explore rather than having another woman and bringing her into a two people family. Okay, wefana umtshela ukuthi if you wanted isithembu from jump, you should have said from jump ukuthi mina nguyindoda yesithembu, and then umamkhulu asho ukuthi yena uyasifuna isithembu noma cha before angene. But bekuthi awushongo ukuthi uyindoda yesithembu from jump, then you have absolutely no right to then out of nowhere change your mind on the type of marriage you want, and then manje usufuna ukumfaka lo mncane because when you fell in love. Vele-ke uthandeka lo mncane muhle ume kahle, she's beautiful, but it's as if she has a father wound because she cried earlier about the fact that ubaba wakhe akabanga ne-relationship naye, even though wakhuliswa stepfather together with her mom in a warm home, but seyamdinga ubaba wakhe. As everybody needs their biological parents, guys. Akekho umuntu othanda ingane njengomzali wayo except me, of course. My father hates me, but that's a conversation for another day. Moving on. For all guys, episode iphela nje kanjalo. Older brother mamkhulu emthatha by the hand uthi asambe sis asambe, bahamba kanjalo bashaya phansi bathi nje no isithembu, and then wasale ekemile-ke uhusband ubeyitshela ukuthi usile ngo first wife wakhe, you know. And yeah, man, well, the first time I saw Umseleku being beat, which was that the other wives now have an in. Now they know if Umseleku is coming, I need to call my older brother to handle him, because Umseleku who is about fast that he's not afraid of manipulating, allegedly. So yeah, man, did I enjoy the episode? Absolutely not. I would never ever be happy seeing another woman crying over another woman, and it's actually disgusting, guys. There's anybody okoma indoda yomunye umuntu oshadile. Like, if umuntu eshadile, they're off limits. I don't understand girls that date married people. Like, don't you guys know the Bible? What God puts together, nobody can divide. And if this man married this woman, in the eyes of the Lord, they're one. So when basically you are coming against the authority that God put just because you can't keep your legs closed. Baba no. Like, have some self-love, honey. Have some self-love, honey. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section if you agree, or if you don't agree. But if you do agree, press like. And if you want more of my videos, please press subscribe. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching, and good night. Have a beautiful night.